Hi friends! Did you like watching me make my all-time favorite Play-Doh? This is the kind of Play-Doh that I would make for our classroom. And I will send the recipe to the grown-ups so they have the amount of the ingredients that we need. Did you notice the part where I had to go on, take the pot to the stove? Now that part you need a grown-up for because we don't want you to touch a hot stove. But it's fun to make, and mine smells really good. I was going to use some food coloring, and that's okay to do, but you can also use the small packs of Kool-Aid, and when you add it to the water, it changes the color and it smells so good. So this morning when we did our message board and we talked about it being Earth Day, I told you that there's a lot of times we like to try to reuse what we have around our house. Now on Earth Day, we try to remember to take care of our earth, and one of the problems about taking care of our earth is how much garbage our world makes. So if we can do our part to try to not make as much garbage, then we're helping the world. You can see I've got a lot of stuff here, and it'd be very easy just to throw it in the garbage. So I was going to show you a couple of my ideas. I kind of made an art area. Remember, my blue table was the art area at our school. So I made kind of my own art area. I even have an easel. And all of this is just stuff that I could have thrown away, but I decided to find a way to reuse it. So let's see. I was going to show you that even at school, even in Miss Kelly's house, sometimes my markers dry out. It's a bummer, but instead of just throwing it in the garbage, I thought of a way I could reuse this. Don't have any good things to roll my Play-Doh with, so I'm thinking, I wonder if this would work as a roller. Look there. We can use our old dried out marker and roll out our Play-Doh. That's a good idea. There's no sense throwing it away if we can find a way to use it. And while I'm thinking about that, all these old tops, that could be something I could add to my Play-Doh. Kind of looks like a birthday cake. How about that? Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Let's see, what else could I use? I mean, look at all these old bottle or milk jug caps I have. I'm wondering, maybe this isn't a birthday cake. Maybe it's my pizza and I need pepperoni. I could stick some bottle caps in it and make some pepperoni. Find another way to reuse these old bottle caps. How about that? That's a good idea. And you know, we have things like this. Maybe I could use, let's see if I could try to make a little cupcake or something, and I could stick it in here. Here we go. I was just going to throw that away, but here's a good way to reuse it. And this is just an old thing that I used today, actually, when we had to have the ingredients from my cream of tartar container and it just got little holes in it, and I'm thinking, my goodness sakes, that could make some cool things with my Play-Doh. Yep. So because it's Earth Day, I just want you to think about all the things you can do instead of throwing away. How could you maybe reuse them? My easel, good thing I didn't throw my pizza box away. I just folded it up and I have an easel just like at school. And a little jar that I was going to throw away is now my handy dandy marker holder. Use that one. Let's see. Hi. Let's see. I have some milk caps that have numbers on them, and I just added numbers to this, and I can try to match up the numbers to the circles. This is the number 3, 4, 1. Oh, I need to make some more. Let's see, I can make 5. There's 5. And there's 6. That's a good idea. I can make a whole row. Let's see. Remember the other day when Miss Stephanie was drinking all that pop? It gave me a good idea because the bottom of a pop is very cool. We could make shapes like this. Or maybe just a regular shape. Let's see. Here we go. Well, happy Earth Day. Let me know if you make some Play-Doh. Maybe you might want to choose a different color. And I'm going to have some fun. Okay, bye.